Hello, guys, welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. And today we are going to make a simple evening or even morning snack. So I'll take you through my ingredients. That we have the sausage over there. I will be dipping them in my oil. Please note that the oil is not hot. It's going to be hot as the sausage are still in. So pick one by one. As you can see, they have attained the golden brown color, so I'll have to remove them from the oil because the golden brown color is a sign that the sausages are ready to serve. So we are going to make a sauce. We have a ketchup and mayo, so I'm going to mix them together. As you can see, it's thick, so it means I'll have to add a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of white vinegar to lighten up the mixture. As you can see, there is a difference in consistency. It's a little bit lighter and perfect for use. So this is known as the cocktail sauce. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment. So this is my final product. I love you guys. Bye.